Hi, I'm Kate Richburg, Director of Education here at begeducation.com, and today I'm going to share with you the secrets of using Flux. When you're using the solder wire, you also need the addition of Flux. Flux is the agent that helps the solder flow. If you don't put any flux on the piece that you're soldering, your piece of wire solder will just ball up and sit on the surface of what you're soldering in a little ball. The flux helps it spread out in a capillary action and actually connect your two pieces of metal together. The Handy Flux comes with a brush in the lid, so it's very easy to apply. I just apply a really thin layer all over the piece that is to be soldered. Flux also prevents fire scale from forming when you're soldering. Now, I'll go ahead and add my little wires that I've cut right on to the surface of my piece. And you can see those little pieces are really easy to grab and drop right into place. Then I'll go ahead and place my piece right over the top, and I'm ready to solder.